Good evening from the Emergency Operations Center. I'm Timothy Devon, the director. So I want to provide, going into the evening time hours, some updates on Hurricane Helene. Hurricane Helene is now classified as a major Category 4 hurricane and will make landfall in the Big Bend area. The storm has shifted even further to the east since our last update, and that means a stronger chance of effects in our area. If it continues to shift, we could see hurricane conditions instead of tropical storm conditions. We're already seeing the effects of Hurricane Helene, and we expect that to ramp up around 11 p.m. tonight and into Friday morning. Clay County is currently under a tornado watch. Our shelters remain open throughout this event. We haven't seen a change in the risks from the storm. They include, though, downed trees, power lines, potential rain, and flooding. We could also see possible tornadoes along the St. Johns River in Orange Park, Fleming Island, and Green Cove Springs areas. Please stay at home if all possible and have multiple ways to get alerts. You can sign up for our alerts on our website at alert.claycountygov.com. You can also report damage to our call center or on our website at alert.claycountygov.com. The call center's number is 1-877-252-9362. Again, that number is 1-877-CLAY-EOC. Of course, if you have a true emergency situation, please call 911. While we do not anticipate any 911 failures, we do have backup communication systems in place. You can call the Clay County Sheriff's Office on their non-emergency phone number at 1-904-264-6512. You can also call the Fire Rescue non-emergency number at 1-904-269-1047. You can always utilize the EOC call-in number at 1-877-252-9362, as well as utilizing the Clay County Sheriff's Office Safer Watch app. And as always, we are monitoring all of our social media platforms here at the EOC as well. We expect this storm to be out of the area by tomorrow morning, but please keep in mind that there could be trees and power lines down over the road, so please utilize caution. Our Emergency Operations Center continues to be staffed through the evening. As always, we have all of this information on our website at alert.claycountygov.com. Thank you and stay safe, Clay County.